get the camera on before I turn on the light. Oh, hi. It's the Sprinkles cuddle hour. You got all three this time? All right, good. Which one of you two is biting on me? All right, and this is when the panic sets in. When she's missing two babies. I've looked around, not under the stand. Under there. No, they're not in there. Not in there. Well, as cute as this is, oh my gosh. Gingy Mama's hiding them. Panic solved. What's up, besties? Y'all are just two cool cats chilling on the couch, hanging out with your homies. Your face makes me smile, Mr. President. It sure does. What's up, big dog? Hi. Oh, stretch it out. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I got these. Come on, my little chubby boys. No, ladies. No, ladies. Okay. Okay. I had to cut it off to let President Snow out. He is not, you know, he's not as brave as Mr. Marlin. All right, let's see if we can do it this way. Come here, flood of mamas. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I'll chase this waterfall. I don't think that worked very well. But people keep saying, put your face on camera. You need more FaceTime on camera. That's what everybody does. I know. I just hate putting my face on camera. Not really. I don't hate it. It is what it is. So I'm going to let all these babies out. I prefer to just point you guys at the babies so you can see them running around. So it is Wednesday for me. It is Saturday for y'all. You guys would have already experienced the Christmas sale. We will be sitting at a craft show. By the time you watch this, we'll be home and I'll be probably processing orders and starting to pick and pack, essentially. Ma'am, ma'am? Patience. Mama, take your little redneck babies with you. Go. So today, since we're kind of like I told you guys, soap production is winding down, so we're kind of ending that. See his dirty little butt? It wasn't that dirty last night. His mom has coccidia and he has coccidia, so I'll give him a treatment before I leave here. Everybody else is out and about. Miss Mooney, you're in the splash zone, and I mean that in every possible way. I'm not gonna scare you off, baby. Mr. President, is she ripe for the picking, sir? Hi, beautiful. Can I get your eye booger? Don't act like y'all don't sit around and pick your pet's eye boogers. You know you do. Who's your good little eye boogers? Boy, you are every bit of you is your mama. Every bit. Your looks, your demeanor. You have blood on your Oh, no, okay. This is all I hear all day, y'all. I had the windows open yesterday making soap, and that's all I could hear. Those little goobers doing that. So, what I was saying is, since we're in a slowed state, it's not really because I'm not making soap, but at the same time, I have so much soap to wrap, it's ridiculous. And so, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna need to go replace the garbage disposal. Surprisingly, it's 7 years old and only had a 6-year warranty, so go figure. What you didn't see that I saw, maybe you may have seen, was marlin. Now presidents know. And see what they're doing, they have the ability to press on this fence on this side. And what that's doing is, I don't know if it'll shock them or not. This is rubber coated or poly coated. I hear it snapping. But it's not gonna carry through the fence because it's, oh, maybe it did. Mr. President, stop. This is definitely, these little, man, I tell you what. Oh, yep, that's his face. These two are probably the bravest baby goats that I have seen. Brave or stupid, I'm not sure which. Stop! This guy, Magnum, last night, he thinks he's the protector of the barn. He's standing in the doorway when I got over here. Well, Cookie was standing in the doorway, but when I went in, Cookie came out, or went back in. Magnum sees China coming across this way. He decides, I'm protecting all these ladies. He literally runs out of the barn. I didn't even have my camera out. Tries to fend off this cat. He's puffing and, you know, doing the little boofing. I don't know if she smacked him in the face or not, but he came back in this barn in a hurry. But the fact that he even went out stomping and spitting. Hi. Miss Babs. Not surprised you got poop on you. Your brother's covered in it. So I'm going to just all day long, I'm going to string soap, wrap soap, and replace the garbage disposal. All right, y'all, what is up? Welcome from the goat barn to under my sink. Going to do a little bit of commercial plug for my haters out there. This is the Baton 4 Mini. I don't know if they classify it as Mini or not, but it comes with this charge case. Just a regular Type-C port in the front there you charge it with. And while this is an epic, and I do mean epic, spotlight that goes on your head, you can put it on your head, your hat, whatever. It also has this nice little candle feature, like if you're in your tent. Let me put it over here. What you do, if you see the numbers on the screen there, you just hold that down. And it gets brighter and brighter and brighter. So I'm going to use that to fiddle around with replacing this disposal. Here we have the replacement disposal. It's a GE, yeah. All your parts. I don't need this. I'll tell you why I don't need it first before I throw it away. This is for if your disposal is, if I was connecting my disposal to a single side sink. So you go straight in, out of your disposal, straight into your drain hose like that. So go straight into the drain hose. I don't need that. We have the double side sink, so it has to go from over here to over here. I hate plumbing, and I hate electric. Actually, what I'm going to do is throw some towels down in here. I mean, it's pretty basic. I just hate, there's going to be water. No matter what you do, there's going to be water. So I always put a towel down to catch the mess. This is the dishwasher hose, and I'm just going to kind of pop that off there. It's gonna be nasty. It's always nasty. If you go ahead and dump that, then when you lay your hose down, you won't end up with, you know, that much water in the bottom of your sink. Pretty simple pressure plate right here. 2 screws, 1 on either side. The one in the back is always a pain in the butt. If that helps you guys or not. Lefty loosey. Righty tatty. Yeah. That's some nastiness. Take this to the bathroom and I'll clean it all up. And what I'm gonna do while I'm in here, I'm just gonna go ahead and snake this P-trap. It's called a P-trap because of the shape. It's kind of a front of a P there. I'm definitely gonna snake that. Gonna have to do better. Yep, that's nasty inside. I'm gonna have to take that in and wash it. Looks like some poop. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Okay, I don't know what that was. That almost looks like egg yolk. I'm gonna have to pull this whole thing off here. I'm gonna get in here and do stuff. Just go ahead and do it right. I don't know what that is. Besides nasty, it's weird. Okay, I'm gonna take this all and wash it out, scrub it down really well. Okay, so I went ahead, shoved a paper towel in the end of this, so if there's anything inside of it, it doesn't come running out when I take this thing off. These are pretty simple. Not like the old school ones. The old school, you had like a giant clamp right here, and you had to pull it on there and then tighten the 3 bolts all the way around. The newer ones have this twist lock on it, and you essentially just I'm sure there's a wrench for this, but I don't have one. Untwist lock that and it falls right out. That's exactly what that is. I'm an idiot. I was washing eggs for a customer, and then that's what's leaking down to. What an idiot. There's the new one. I'm not going to be replacing all of this. because there's nothing wrong with this. It doesn't leak. In my rule with plumbing, if it doesn't leak, it doesn't leak, period. So just want to make sure my outlets are facing the correct direction, which is the same as the last one. Oh, and then we basically just do uno reverso here. Put my P-trap back on. Flanges. No more pipe dope, no more tape. Just nice rubber flange. Okay. Dishwasher hose back on. For those of you who are out there screaming, did you do the knockout for the dishwasher hose? So if you don't have a dishwasher, they put a plug in here that keeps any water from just running out into your cupboard. So I already knocked that out. Sorry. Plug it in, plug it in. Check for leaks. What I generally do, because I hate plumbing, is I will, sometimes you start running water through here and you don't get that leak that first day, but then the next day it starts leaking. So I'll probably just leave this open for a day. Make sure I don't have any leaks. Make sure the disposal works. And go from there. First of all, leak test. I don't see any leaks. I don't feel any leaks. Okay, everything looks pretty good, guys. Dishwasher install, dishwasher disposal. It's pretty easy. Not bad at all. I have the instruction manual somewhere. But y'all know I did not look at that.